Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, to give you a gist about what Meta 2022 is. Okay, so this event started on 3rd of April right here in Avatar Hotel, and this is more about a lifestyle pageant rather than a fashion pageant. So here we are in the search of a personality, not a face. So today is the grand finale here at the Avatar Hotel, but to give you what has happened throughout the week, on the first day of the event, right here, the soft launch, we had the introduction round, followed by a couple of online events. There were certain sessions on personality development, fitness round, and yesterday was a stress interview. And today, ladies and gentlemen, top 20 contestants have made it to the finale here to walk the ramp of Meta 2022. So I'd like to call upon Mr. Aaron to give the welcome speech.
2 months back, Meta was just a conversation between friends. And today, here when I'm standing, Meta is happening. It's finally the dream has come true. What Meta literally means is change. The word signifies change. And that's what we are here to celebrate today. Because today, no matter who the winner is, when they wear their crown, we want everyone to feel empowered. Because that's what we want to bring forth with this pageant. To be confident with your own body, mind, and soul. To own your skin and walk this ramp with confidence. I proudly want to welcome our sponsors, our partners, our judges, and everyone gathered here to Meta 2022, the first lifestyle pageant of Mangalore. Thank you, Raj.
Indian reality show, ETV Kannada finalist, Kasuri channel, Chinnada Beta winner. Mostly it's the guys doing the tiger dance, right? So Shushma was the first female tiger from Mangalore. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for the first jury member? I'd request you to kindly take your seat at the jury table. At the same time, I would request you on the stage before that, Carol, I'd request you to do a floral welcome to our first jury member, Sushma Raj. She's a trans model who's made it big in the Indian fashion scene, as she was the face of Viacom ad campaign that aired in MTV and Comedy Central. She also has brand endorsements like Levi's, Nike, Pepsi, Amazon, Myntra, to name a few. And she's also been a jury member for various fashion events. So I kindly request you on the stage, and I'd request Roshni to do the floral welcome. Which brings fun twist to learning regional languages such as Malayalam, Kannada, and Tulu. Thank you for being here. I'd kindly request you on the stage and request Clive to kindly welcome her with a floral bouquet. So I want you to talk about Cyborg Fitness and why you wanted to be a part of Meta. By the way, Joshua has been not just our sponsor, but an active member in the team, and he's been day in and day out with us, giving us ideas and plans and working with us. Thank you so much for being a part, and I request you to address the gathering.
I'll ask everyone to invite Akhilesh and Murali on stage. We are the team of Cyborg, the partners of the gym actually.
Okay, today Cyborg opened with three honorable guests, and this was a dream of not 1 or 2 year. This was 10-year dream of Mr. Akhilesh, and it's hell out of a journey actually. And today we are here launching Cyborg at Avatar Hotel. I want to thank Mr. Prashant for giving us the great platform for launching our first Cyborg Fitness Club. And we are having good certified trainers. Like first we will be taking a body composition analysis of all the clients. Then according to their body requirements, we will be providing with them with the perfect diet, customized diet. And then all the trainers will be training them with their required nutrition or their body analysis. Then Akhilesh was MBA graduate, but he followed his passion in the fitness industry. He has 20 plus years of experience in fitness industry, and he is CEO and co-founder of Cyborg Fitness Club. And Mr. Joshua Bangera is our managing director. He worked very hard for this Cyborg Fitness Club, and we are launching today as Cyborg. And I want to speak, I want to pass my mic to Akhilesh to speak some words about cyborg.
Really, this is like my dream came true. I can't imagine that today I opened our own club. About cyborg, when we were searching for the name, I asked my friend Murli, can you suggest some name? He suggested some name, but I didn't like it. But at last he suggested this name, Cyborg. I asked him what is the uniqueness in that, and he told it's a cyborg DC character. Okay, how we can connect it with our fitness thing? Because fitness, everyone knows. I think fitness models. Yesterday, I have given a small talk about fitness. The most of the people are having misconception about fitness. People think the people who are having six-pack abs, they consider themselves as fit, but this is not like that. Fitness is something else. Fitness is beyond what we can say. Is beyond your imagination. The fitness is nothing but is one can carry out his daily activities in a comfortable manner without fatigue. That is fitness. People think who is having body, they are fit, and the people are very shy to come to gym because we don't have body. It's only for bodybuilder. It's only meant for bodybuilder. No, it's not like that. Please don't think like that. Fitness is something beyond. Our vision is to become one of the unique and the best brand in and around cities, and we are planning to have our own branches in and around our state. Our vision, our mission is to give enjoyable learning environment with creative and encouragement that positively changes and develops your body, mind, and spirit. We are having different packages. You can come down to our club, and you can inquire, and we can customize according to your needs. And at last, I would like to thank each and everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Prashant. He helped us, he motivated us, and he encouraged. And now we've opened our club. This is I can't express my feelings. It's like my dream came true. One of my dream came true, dearly. And I would like to thank my team, Mr. Joshua. He worked really very hard. And Mr. Murli and Mr. Akshay and my team. And I thank Mr. Chetan. He is our interior designer. And I would like to thank our managers, bank managers, and each and everyone who supported and wished well. And thank you all. And I would like to say all the best to all the participants who are participating in the Meta 2022. And thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you guys. Thank you. Would you like to speak something? Yes. Mr. Joshua wants to speak something. Yeah.
Mataragla, thank you. But enkundonji pandra ittande. Panda already have to mata explain maltu there. Enkalna panda enkal epa gym start maltadda. Apagardinchi onjonji problem battande. But ini matra enk mastu ಖುಷಿ ಆವೊಂದುಂಡು ಆತ ಬಂಗ ಬತ್ತಿನೆಕ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಾತ ಒಂಜಿ ವೇಟ್ ಪೋವೊಂದುಂಡು ಮೆಟಲ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ರೀತಿಡ್ ಪೋವೊಂದುಂಡು ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಪೆರ್ಲ ಅಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತುಂಡು ಬಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ರೆ ಇತ್ತೇರು ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈಜೇರು ಆರೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಮುಲ್ಲೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಪನೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಲ್ತಾ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಲ್ತಾ ಬಟ್ ಇತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಜಿಮ್ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಉಂಡು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ 6 equipment is stuck in customs ನನ್ನಲ್ಲ 15th ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಪುಂಡು ಬಟ್ ಐತೆ ಮಾತೆರ್ಲ ತೂನಾಗ ಪನೋಲಿ ಏತ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಂಡು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಉಂಡು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜನ ಬತ್ತದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಬಟ್ ಯಾನ್ ಮೂಲ ಪಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂತಂದುಲ್ಲೆ 6 equipments ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಂಡ ಅವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಪುನ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಉಂಡು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಲ್ತಾ ಈ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಲಾಂಚ್ ರೀಚ್ ಮಲ್ಪಾಯರೆ ಆತೆಜಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆತಂಡು ಅವೊಂಜಿ 15th ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮಾತೆರಗ್ಲ ಏನಾರ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಇತ್ತುಂಡ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಈರೆಗ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಆವೋಡು ನಾನ್ ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಆವಡು ಪಂಡ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಈರೆಗ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಂತ್ 2 ಮಂತ್ ಅಂಚ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ದಿ ಒಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಮಾತ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏತ್ ಅಕ್ಲೆಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಲ್ತದ ಅಕ್ಲೆಗ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಆತಿನ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಕೊರೊಂದುಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯುನಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದು ಪನೋಲಿ ಪಂಡ ಕೆಲವುದಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಬರೇ ಒಂಜಿ 10 days 15 days ಬರ್ರೆ ಆಪುಂಡು ಅಕ್ಲೆಗ್ಲ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡ ಅಕ್ಲು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 1 month ಕಟ್ಟೋಡೊಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಅಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಬೇತೆನೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಉಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಮಾತ ಐಟೆಕ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫೇಸ್ ರೀಡೆಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ರೀಡ್ ಆದು ಪೋಪುಂಡು ಇರ್ನ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಏತಂದು ಅವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಲ್ಪುಂಡು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇರೆಗ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆವಡು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಪಂಡ ಮಾತ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಉಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಅಕಲ್ನಾನೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಐಟ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾವೊಂದು ಉಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಬರ್ತುಂಡು ಅವು ಅಲ್ತೆ ಅಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಮಾತೆರನ್ಲ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಮಾತೆರ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪೋಡು ಬಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಬೊಕ್ಕ thank you so much.
Congratulations on Cyborg Fitness. So moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we have the final jury member here today with us, Dr. Nitin, who's an MBBS and MD and is a research physician who works in the development of new medicine and vaccines. He's also a personality development trainer and has trained more than 1,000 students, and he's also worked in the Kannada industry and also directed a Tulu song which is being dubbed to Kannada and Hindi. Thank you so much. Can we have you on the stage? And I would request Roshni to kindly welcome him with a floral bouquet. So Dr. Nitin sir had taken a personality development training yesterday on mental and physical wellness. So he's interacted and trained our participants too. Thank you so much, sir. I'd kindly request you to kindly be seated on the jury table. Thank you so much. 2 words about Meta 2022, because he's been a part of Meta since day one, since the idea was pitched to him. And he's a person who's always excelling in different fields. So thank you so much, sir, for your support. I would request you to speak 2 words.
All I'll say is, from the time I came back to Mangalore, about a year and a half ago, there are a lot of old voices in the city. They said, no, Mangalore is not ready for a concept like the Avatar Hotel. Mangalore will not enjoy a bakery like Buttercream Co. Mangalore will not like food like we serve in the loft. I said the hotel will be a collaborative space. We'll create the space and people from Mangalore will come and create events and programs. They said it won't happen. I think everybody who's gathered today to create Meta has given a befitting reply to all those voices, all these doubtful voices. I think this argument today can be laid to rest. Mangalore is as international as anywhere. It's up to us to create the environment. I don't think anybody needs to count us down. And I think everybody in this room should be so proud of yourselves to turning up here and making this happen. It's been fabulous. 2 weeks, I would not have thought it's possible. I would not have been able to do it. So biggest congratulations to Carol and team. I don't know if she's in the room. But in the time that they had to put this together, for Joshua, for coming up with a concept and working with them, for our spa partners coming on board, the other partners who came in very quickly with a lot of faith, with very little material to go on. I thank you, all the judges. I know some of you have traveled from out of town to be here. I think it's a huge honor for us that you have chosen to come. Satya, Nayantara, Sushma, and Dr. Nitin, thank you so much. Enjoy your evening, and I won't occupy time and space here anymore. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. He spoke a few words, but he spoke a lot of sense. Thank you so much, sir, because without your support, I guess we couldn't take off Meta 2022. That is what Avatar stands for, right? Setting a template for lifestyle. So moving on, we have one of our other sponsors, that is our wellness sponsor, that is Satya Spa. I request VPS Mohan, sir, to kindly come up on stage and speak a few words on Meta 2022.
This property, it makes a lot of difference. I felt a lot of difference. Normally, we used to go to visit our partners for initial proposals, discussions, and all those things. We are basically discussing the financial side. But when I came to Avatar here, our sir was involved in everything. He need people who is having a passion on the particular job. When he selected the what I can say, gymnasium, the best one. When he is selected for the spa, he want the best one, and he asked me 10 times before sanctioning the premises. The importance of the spa, I'll take only a minute, I know the time. the real spa concept I have not seen in Mangalore. I have to say that one. A to Z, from the hygiene concept, SOPs of all the massages. Please don't think that massage is the only thing what we are doing. It is one among the treatments. A lot of things, mind, body and soul, when I am talking, it is easy to tell. But when we start, do come and feel the difference. What is it? Our people know what the job is. If they are doing a manicure or a pedicure or facial or any treatment, body treatment, you will enjoy the real thing. We don't want to be second at any cost. We don't want to be second at any cost. We will do that one. We are here for that one. The confidence what everybody is having with this company, we will do that. And Meta, I have seen a very, very energetic, spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. The youngsters, few members, they have developed the concept, they have materialized in a very good manner. It's only a beginning. Let it go further and further and further. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So I guess physical and mental wellness plays a very important role in one's personality, and that is why we have Satya Spa as our wellness partner. So moving on to our next partner here, we have our nutrition partner, that is Getaway Ice Cream. So we have Mr. Manil Shrikant Naik, who is the franchise partner of Getaway Ice Cream. I'd kindly request him on the stage and speak a few words on Meta 2022.
Well, even I don't want to cause a lot of delay in the further events that are going to come. But as Prashant sir was telling, Mangalore is now open for a lot of new things. And I think Meta and the team, the entire efforts that are put in here, I think this is a testimony to what Mangalore can actually accomplish, correct? So yeah, big round of applause to the team. And, as Meta stands for, something new, a change. I think they break the barriers when it comes to the old standards of, beauty setting or so on. And I think even Getaway as a brand, we want to, bring in a change in the way of healthy eating, say in terms of desserts. So this is a sugar-free and high in protein ice cream. So yes, if you have not tried out, please do order. We are available on Swiggy and Zomato. And yes, nothing much to add, but yeah, wonderful show put up by the team, and I wish all the very best to all the participants. Thank you.
So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we are opening the show today. So we have the show opener, Mr. Clive Marsh D'Souza, who's an engineer by profession and a model by passion. He's won Mr. India Super Talent 2020 and has done a lot of designer shoots, TV shoots, etc. So he's also been one of our groomer here for all our participants. So opening the show with, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause, Clive Marsh D'Souza. I know everybody is waiting to see the top 20 contestants in the grand finale of Meta 2022. So ladies and gentlemen, here now I open the ramp of Meta 2022. Here we go.
I dare you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Feel how the planets become one. It's like a drum to this and rhythm. Hear the whistle, kick the ball. The entire world soars like an eagle, and we all play like we dance. Only today, there's no tomorrow. Leave all behind in this place. There's no space for fear or sorrow. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's truth or dare. Can you feel it? La 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 I dare you. Let go. Let go. You have arrived, it's the place. No more doubts, the time is coming. You'll have the planets become one with you, and now you know it. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's truth or dare. Can you feel it? La 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 I dare you. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. The whole world is watching. It's truth or dare. Can you feel it? Feel it? Feel it? Feel it? La 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 la. I dare you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. La 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 la. I dare you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Feel how the planets become one. It's like a drum to this and rhythm. Hear the whistle, kick the ball. The entire world soars like an eagle, and we all play like we dance. Only today, there's no tomorrow. Leave all behind in this place. There's no space for fear or sorrow. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's truth or dare. Can you feel it? La 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 la.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for all the participants? So to close the show, we have our groomer, that is Christina Rosen George, who started the modeling at the age of 15 and now currently pursuing her fourth year of engineering at St. Joseph College. Her passion over fashion and modeling is immense, and this has led her win several crowns. She has groomed over 150 models for various pageants and worked with several brands across India. So ladies and gentlemen, to close the show with your big round of applause, and please welcome Christina George on stage, please.
Ce n'est pas ce que je demandais. Allez, allez, allez. Le buzz n'était que factice. Je ne suis plus dans la matrice. Y'a plus personne pour en parler. Allez, allez, allez. Je ferai tout pour récupérer ce que je suis en train de gâcher. Enfin sorti de ma bulle. Allez, allez.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Moving on to the last sequence, that is the introduction and Q&A round. So the contestants will be coming here on stage, introducing themselves. And one question to every contestant. What is the meta way? Okay, let us see how they will come here and answer the question. So can we have a big round of applause and please call upon contestant number 1 on stage.
Listen me key now, baby, telling me how me sound. Run away, them little boy, they will lose up round me alone. I make you start to moan and groan. Come here and you're love strong like a stone girl, cause
I'd do anything I could for you. For you, my only.
see the girl.
I'm gonna flip the script on ya, and you don't even know me.
Self-discipline is the center of all success. Good evening, everyone. My name is Srijit, civil engineer by profession. Based in a beautiful coastal city, Udupi. I have always been the man of discipline and punctuality. As an all-rounder, has taught me nothing is more better than managing time. I would like to thank Meta for giving me this platform, for showcasing myself to be the better version of myself. I would like to conclude that a mind is stretched with new dimensions can never go back to its old experience. So do what you love and love what you do. Thank you, everyone.
Nahi jnanena sadrishyam. The quote says it all. There is nothing about the knowledge. I am Dikshit Pujari from the land of Udupi. You know, life is all about balancing. I am a civil engineer by profession and balancing my life by being a dancer and model and professional choreographer, and also I am an actor. And you know, if you don't promote yourself, nobody will. To carry myself and to promote myself, I have been into many pageants like Mr. Tulunadu 2020 and Mr. Mai 2022 and Fabrinia 2020. And I would glad to say I am the winner of Mr. Tulunadu 2020 and Mr. Mai 2022. And I'm a state level medalist, gold medalist in javelin throw. And I'd like to thank the team Meta and the respected juries. And you know, for some people it's one day, but for the people who want to grow, it's 24 hours. Keep it in mind. Thank you, everyone.
Good evening to one and all present here. This is my arm. One of all of you all can see. This is an arm of a Dhamal badminton player. My name is Vallabh and I am studying BE Mechanical in Sahyadri College of Engineering. I stay with my granny. She's all my life. Badminton as a game has taught me a lot. It has taught me to defend all my obstacles, smash all the opportunities, and most important, never give up. I'm not going to give up today, not tomorrow, never, ever, 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 ever. That's me. Thank you. And I also would like to thank you, Meta, for giving me an opportunity to come here, learn, and grow as a person. Thank you.
Responsibility gives a sense of maturity to a person, and personally, it has helped me to bring out a good in me and also to achieve goals in my life. Now, I want to turn this goal into a reality. And ladies and gentlemen, my name is Shravan Acharya, and I'm here welcoming you to the journey towards the unlocking of the achievement of my milestone. Thank you so much.
And if there was a dance battle right here, I have some moves of my own. And you don't want to mess with me, because I'm an international karate champion. And I'm something of a Picasso myself. Myself Sagar, and I'm a mystery box that will never be able to completely solve. Thank you.
I'm a Kudla boy. I was born, brought up, I completed some of my education in Mangalore, and then I moved to Bangalore for a career. Right now I'm working as a business administrator. Yeah, the reason why I'm here is because I'm an adrenaline junkie. I've always been passionate about fashion. And you know, I've always felt that fashion is an art. The way a person dresses up, it says a lot about them. You know, I'm a vivid traveler as well. So I've met people in different cultures, different styles, different characteristics. The one thing that I learned from them is, you know, when you wear a dress, you're not just wearing a dress. You're wearing a part of that characteristics as well from that dress. Yeah, and Meta is one such way, one such event that, you know, is doing exactly that. It's promoting lifestyle. And yeah, this is my first beauty pageant. And I've learned so much in the past couple of days, you know, from a very basic walking style till an advanced. I'm not saying I'm really good at it, but I've learned a lot about, Instagram transitions that we do in the reels. So it's been a great journey. So thank you one and all, especially the organizers, for doing a great job here. Yeah, thank you.
Can you even run? These were some of the opinions people had towards me. But none of this stopped me from doing what I love. With a firm will and desire to prove myself, I could do my fitness transformation. Be it dance, sports, or fitness, I am the jack of all trades. Hi, I am Wilson Christopher D'Souza, standing before you today as a better version of myself and trying to be even more better day by day. I would like to thank the Meta team for giving us such an opportunity to display our talents. Thank you.
ಕಲಾ ಆಯೋಧಕರಿಗೆ, ಕಲಾಧೀಶರಿಗೆ, ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ, ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ 100 ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿ ಸೇರುವ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪಾದರವಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Skanda N. Currently pursuing my final year BBA in STM College of Business Management. It gives me great pleasure to say that I am the winner of Mr. Tulunadu 2020, winner of Mr. India World 2021, and winner of Mr. Karnataka Style Icon 2022. I would like to thank Meta team for giving us this wonderful opportunity, and I believe this platform will take me one step closer to my dreams. And I would like to thank all the audience who are here in spite of your busy schedule. Thank you. Have a good day.
Or what do you want to be remembered as?
As a better version of myself, day by day, of being creative. And I want people to recognize me as a model and as a growing person. Thank you.
Hi, could you please tell me what your strength and weakness are?
My strengths are like time management. Like as I told, for people, some people it's one day. For me, it's like 24 hours. I manage myself by being civil engineer, then by being a dancer, then by being a runner, and then transforming like by doing the workouts, and I transform myself from fat to fit by being like cutting down 17 kgs. And that's what, the thing is, that's what I want to say. Ma'am, my answer is good.
I asked for your weakness as well.
Yeah, my weakness, the only thing my weakness is I can't travel in bus. But the thing is, I get rid of my weakness, but how it seemed, like I tried myself to sit in front, and I tried my weakness to turn a strength, and I sit in front, I have my camera, and I discover the places and click the pictures. Like in bus, I used to feel like vomiting, but now I sit in front and I made it as my strength, and I use camera and I click the pictures, and I turn my weakness as strength.
Oh, when you said you transform yourself from fat to a fit,
Yeah.
are you associating being fat with being wrong?
No.
Do you think you're fat shaming people?
The thing is, I was fit before. I was a runner, as I told. But in the middle, I had some medication. So I turned fat. And that wasn't the thing I wanted to be. Like when I'm into modeling, in my way, I wanted to be fit. And when I was fat, I used to feel something like ill health and all. So I thought I want to be fit. And when you are in gym, you feel like so confidence, and you feel like, you're doing something good. Whenever I go to gym, I just forget every stresses. And that's what made me feel like, when I turned myself and turned into, and some people are telling me, bro, you're being our something like, we want to be like you. That's what makes me feel like, I'm doing something. So the decision which I took, like I want to transform myself to fat to fit, that's what made me feel like, I'm so confident now.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing all good.
Okay, my question is, what makes you different from other contestants?
As I said before in my introduction, I have a very good plus point of never giving up. So I will never give up, even if these contestants they are my equivalent participants who are participating today and doing their best as well. So it's a competition for me as well as them. So I'm giving my best, but no matter what, I won't give up. That's all I'll say. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank
I
you so
hope
much.
I have answered your question.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to say that all of you look absolutely stunning. I've met you guys yesterday, and I see a huge, what you can call it as a meta transformation from yesterday to today. So once again, congratulations for looking so awesome today.
Thank you so much.
All right. So just wanted to ask you a very simple question. You have a beautiful platform. You look stunning. Everyone's around. If you have one message to tell your loved ones, your parents from this stage today, what would that one message be? I mean, you can make it short, I love you, and then close it also. But if you would like to speak something more, and let's not make it a political speech, and let's not take it to that extent, but short and sweet. What would you like to say?
First thing, I want to thank my dad, because always he used to back me up. And now, a few years ago, he passed away. And that was a turning moment in my life. That one particular moment changed my entire lifestyle. So from that particular moment, I started thinking about like what the goal has to be in my life. And now my mother, being a single mother, she has been supporting me everywhere and whatever I do. So I would like to thank her, and I would love and I will say I love you, love them. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. What about you?
My question to you is, if you could carry only one thing with you to a deserted island, what would it be and why?
Because she's always been there for me. And no matter what, she's always supported me. I know I get mad at her sometimes, but no matter what, I always love her. So she's the one person that would like to take me on a deserted island. Thank you. Hope I did justice to your question.
Thank you, but I'm not too sure she'd want to go to a deserted island.
But I'm there. We love each other, right?
Thank you for
Thank
that
you.
answer.
Hi. If you were God for a day, how would you change the world?
It's a very nice question that you asked me. So I'd like to say that, see, God, the feeling about God, when it comes to God, right? So we all believe that God is a superpower, don't we? So we pray for something. I'm not saying God is not there or God is there. There is always there one superpower that, that's protecting us from a lot of calamities or whatever is happening. The way I see it, we are our gods. The moment you keep yourself, fit, you're automatically doing a lot of changes. Have I answered your question by any way?
So you're telling me fitness is God.
I wouldn't say fitness is God. Keeping your body fit would be doing justice to God. That's what I would say.
So the question is like, you're God, you can do anything you want. What would you do if you're given 24 hours? Just take your time. Want to make money? Money is, I don't know. If you're God, money doesn't matter, but still, you have 24 hours. After 24 hours, you'll come back to your normal form. Number 6 on stage, or whatever else you want to be. So 24 hours, what would you like to do with all the power in the universe which you wanted is in your hands?
Thank you. So the way I see it, right? So if I become a God, and if I can remove everything from, if I can remove the negativity from people, and spread more love into their hearts, put more love, make them love each other, make this world is already very beautiful. If people start loving each other, it'll be the best place to live in. It's already a best place, but it'll be even a better place to live in. That's what I feel. Have I answered it now, Nayantra?
I
No?
hope you have, yeah.
Thank you.
You'll find out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Why do you want to win this pageant?
And I dream to work in much bigger opportunities. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I like
Hello.
your confidence.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Could you define these two words for me as to what you think of these two? First one is endless love. Yeah, could you tell me what endless love is to you?
Obviously, if you go and Google it, the word they'll say is, okay, you won't stop loving someone. But according to me, what I'm saying is, the way you prove it to a person. Suppose if I'm loving someone, the way I prove it to that person, it might be me being always not being in a happy, in her or his happy moments, but also in the sad moment. That is what I want to define.
And what do you think of vulnerability? What's vulnerability to you?
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can I get a translate of that? Because I'm not that familiar with the word.
Vulnerability. Vulnerability.
Okay, can I get a meaning if you don't mind? Okay, what makes me weak? That's what you mean? Okay. First of all, okay. Okay, I want to answer according to my way because I don't think so, something I consider it as my weakness because the moment I consider something that it's my weakness, I would definitely work on that and within no moment I would try to convert it into my strength. So, I don't think I have any weakness. Yes, thank you.
So with your big round of applause, please welcome the beautiful ladies on the dais.
Baby, got to love you, 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 yeah, got to love you, got to love you, got to love you, got to love you. Girl, me not stay like them boy, they will put you down. Me rather lift you way up high up off the ground. Enough of them fake, them are no king or clown. Only thinking about themself alone. Listen me key now, baby, telling me how me sound. Run away them little boy, they will lose a round.
Don't laugh. Shh. You talk too much. You're not worth it. Why are you not like her? Being a little girl, I have always heard them speak all this, and I believed it about me. Why wouldn't I? Because I was too young to realize what was my worth and how the world works. They judge the people in the same way. They want everybody to be the same. बस अगर तुम कुछ अलग हो जाओ, बस बात खत्म. उधर ही. That is why, in the world where everybody wants to be someone else, I, Pearl D'Souza, am confident and comfortable enough to be myself, love all my scars, imperfections, vulnerability, because now I realize that I'm beautiful just the way I am. And I would like to tell all the young girls who are watching this right now, if you dream, you can achieve it. Because if I can, you can. Thank you.
Here I am to love myself for who I am, for who I was, and for who I aspire to be. A frenetic evening to one and all present here. I am Preeti D'Souza, a 17-year-old currently pursuing my 12th in humanities. My strength is that I am dedicated, determined, outspoken, and have always been a natural leader. My hobbies and interests revolve around music, reading. Besides being a basketball, throwball, and a volleyball player, I also play the guitar, the keyboard, and the drums. I am also an advocate for a social cause that is fight cancer and save lives. I've also run several hair donation drives in order to help the cancer patients. And here I am today at the Meta 2022 because I strongly believe that this platform will give me a unique platform to bring in a positive change in my own town, Mangalore, thereby making a difference and creating a positive impact. Thank you, one and all.
Not everything in this world will have something which is going to make you worth. I'm Jyoti, and I'm from St. Joseph Engineering College. The name which says Jyoti says that it's a candle which tells it's going to give a hope that you're not going to give up in your dreams. My parents and my friends always supported me and encouraged me in everything I do. I'm from a small village where people used to think that I'm going to graduate and I'm going to marry. But everyone has the decision, means everyone has the right to take their decisions on their own. But every people used to laugh at me. But now I'm here in this meta to prove that everything in this world is worth, and I'm going to make this world a big stage to perform. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ಕನಸನ್ನು ಕಾಣು, ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಪಡು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನನ್ನ ಕನಸು, ಕನ್ನಡ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು. ಕನ್ನಡತಿ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಿರೀಟವನ್ನು ತಂದಂತೆ. ಕನಸನ್ನು ನೀನು ಕಾಣು, ಕನಸು ನಿನ್ನೆಡೆ ತಾನಾಗೇ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಕನಸಿನೆಡೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೀನು ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಪಡುತ್ತೀಯೋ ಆ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲವು ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿನಗೆ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸಿನ ಪಯಣವನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಬಾಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಕಂಡಂತಹ ಕನಸಿನ ನನಸಾಗುವಿಕೆಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವಿಕೆಯ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಅಡೆತಡೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಂಡರೂ ಇಂದು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪಟ್ಟ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ, ನನ್ನ ಧೈರ್ಯ, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಕಾರಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು, ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಭಿಮಾನ. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಭಾಷೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕನಸಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಂತಹ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನನ್ನ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವಿಕೆಯ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ಆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡು, ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬದುಕು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಸೋಲಲು ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕನ್ನಡಾಂಬೆಯ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂದು ಶರಣಾಗು. ಕನಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡಾಗ ಆ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸು ಮಾಡುವ ಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ನಿನ್ನ ಕನಸಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಾಢವಾದಂತಹ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಜಾಂಶವು ನಿನಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕನಸಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಹೋರಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಹೋರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲವು ನಿನಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣು, ಕನಸನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಸೋಲಲು ಬಿಡಬೇಡ. ಜೈ ಕನ್ನಡಾಂಬೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
She was born to inspire, is what she believed. And that belief became the most important motive of her life. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Purti Moili. I am an aspiring naturopath, born in Mangalure and brought up in Mumbai. I address myself as a cheerful, active, and enthusiastic person. According to me, success doesn't have limits. In the same way, learning also doesn't have any limits or any boundaries. Being thick or being dark-skinned have never stopped me chasing my dreams or following my passion. I should be known for what I am, and I am for myself. Thank you, Meta, for this beautiful opportunity. Thank you, guys, and have a good day.
A dancer lost at sea. A dancer lost at sea, trying to find grace in everyone she sees. The world is an empty canvas, and people with their emotions and cultures are the ones who bring it to life. Good evening, everyone. I am Meha, an amalgamation of all of my experiences. A work still in progress, but no lesser than a masterpiece. Thank you for having me here today.
As a grown-up, I just don't want to let her down. I am Vaishnavi Shetty from Mangalore. Well, I was a girl who went through a lot of criticism just because I was overweight. This phase of my life didn't let me down. I challenged myself, and here I am, right in front of you with a 35 kgs of fat to fit transformation. My fitness journey taught me a lot more. The one main thing I've learned was patience. I believe patience is a powerful weapon for your success as well as a roadway for the wisdom. I'm a small town girl with a lot of dreams and a woman in me who has an ability to turn these dreams into reality. I thank this platform, Meta 2022, for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to show who I am to the world. Thank you, one and all.
I have been brought up with opinions that made me strong, opinions that made me who I am today. My name is Mansi, and I am doing my BCom with CA at St. Aloysius College. I have been opinionated a lot, but I chose to be carefree, and I loved doing things what people didn't expect of me, and that is why I'm happy and carefree. Thank you.
Light in the darkness. As everyone knows, darkness needs light to brighten up the place. And the light, I'm the light of my darkness for the brightest future I have. Darkness cannot dry out darkness. Only light can do it. Hate cannot dry out hate. Only love can do it. And I love the way how I lighten up my life. I am Namrata Gowda and I love to burn like a light. Thank you.
Seize the moment. Seize the moment for the life which never comes back again. Own your life to its fullest and enjoy every moment of your life. Be the better person and better version of yourself. So I, Preeti Tiwari, seizing all the moment of my life and being better version of myself. Thank you.
There is a fire in all of us. Some of us choose to remain as ashes while the others rise as a phoenix. And here I am today to represent that. I, Hima G. Shetty, I'm here today to improve upon my skills of confidence, communication, and how to own the stage. Being an athlete, I faced a lot of criticism and I've fallen 1,000 times, but I decided to rise back up from all the ashes of failure, and here I am today. I would like to pass on a small message to all of y'all. The only difference between people who are successful and people who are not is the people who are successful have gotten back up, dusted themselves, and then they've owned the stage. Thank you.
From the very beginning of our life till the end, people try to define us. They try to control us with their opinion, their way of what life is and what it should be. But I never wanted to be a follower, but a leader of my life. And I, Dayashri, took it upon myself and I dared to be uniquely different. I dared to be me and to own myself gracefully and to be unapologetically me is what I stand for. Thank you all.
My question to you is, if you could swap lives with someone for 24 hours, who would it be and why?
Mother is the one who gets no salary for the work she does. And I think whenever she's sick, she's always working. Even when she's sick, she's not. If somebody else is sick. So I think, Mama, you need a break. Let me step up and work for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, good evening. I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm great, thank you. So if you made the President of India for a day, what would you do?
So this question will definitely help me to answer in a better way. If I were the President of India, I would bring in a faster system of justice. We all know that the court takes a long time to bring in justice, especially for the low marginalized sectors of the society. So this is one change which I would bring in my country, India, so that everybody has equal rights. Thank you, one and all.
Hello.
Hello.
What is your biggest fear in life?
Biggest fear. People trust me, people believe in me, but every time, whatever I do, I really don't trust myself. I used to doubt myself. I used to tell like, I don't know, like, am I capable to do that thing? But now I'm in that position where I can face the complete world and I can face that thing and I can come up from the fear. Thank you.
Nice, thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದ ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ನೋ. KGF ಮೂವಿ, KGF 2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅವರ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಛಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಏನು? ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಏನು? ಎರಡೂ
ಯುವರ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
ಸೊ ಅವರ ಆ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡತಿಯಾಗಿರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ.
ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರ ಭಾಷೆ ಕಲಿತು ಅವರೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಉಂಟು, ಹೌದು. ಹಾಗಂತ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತೇನೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಭಿಮಾನವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, the dictionary for Kannada was first written by a German. So it was not written by a Kannadiga. So it was by a German who studied Kannada and wrote the dictionary of Kannada. So it's a matter of pride for us that a European had first written for us and fell in love with the language of Kannada and then took it across. And now we are on the verge of taking over the world. So let's see. Okay, take care. Best of luck.
I totally respect and appreciate the fact that you're very proud of the state language that we are in. But how did you assume that everyone present here or the judges amongst us would understand the language that you're talking in? Because the main reason why you're talking is for us to understand, right? So what if you totally lost you? I totally lost you. So this is not a way to pose any sort of mishap, but I just want to know your perspective.
Maybe they don't understand, but sure they can understand my tone.
I don't understand either.
They can understand my tone. They can understand the respect I have towards my language.
No, so let me tell it in a different way. So when you speak in a particular language, ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಟೋನ್ ಇದೆ. I won't say no, but at the same time, if the judge has requested ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ನೌ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೈ? ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ನೋ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. Anything you want to speak in your introduction, a brief introduction, and just what you told now to me in English if you can.
I'm a dreamer. I'm chasing my dream. I'm fighting for my dream. And I'm going to make it happen. And I'm going to make myself proud. And I'm going to prove that I can do anything. I know I will speak more in Kannada, but sure I can achieve anything if I go anywhere. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is one thing that we would not know about you just by looking at you?
My behavior inside, what I feel right now, the nervousness which I am feeling right now, the thing, the eyes which are on me now, the marks, the assumption, the feeling, the nervousness, the overconfidence also which I am feeling now, like, yeah, did I do good? Did I justified my point? Did I came up to the point, or did I just lose myself here? That is the biggest thing that you won't know what I am going through. So that is the thing. Thank you, Mom.
Hi, do you use Instagram?
Yes, Mom, I do.
Okay, so I hope you're updated with everything that's happening on Instagram, because only then this question will be relevant.
Mm-hmm.
You are?
Yes, Mom, I am.
So may I proceed?
Please.
So what's your name?
Meha.
Meha, I want to know what your thoughts on people on Instagram suddenly updating their pronouns in their bio is. What do you think about it?
Okay, so I'll just clarify the question. So there's a it's not, I won't say a trend, it's a norm which is at the moment happening across the globe. So when you write your name, so you refer to the pronouns like him, his, and whatever, etc. So that you mention to make clear what your stand is on the whole issue. So what's your take on that?
My opinion on that.
Yes. So would you like a person to update their profile with these pronouns, or do you want it as previous? So did I get the question right?
Thank you for such a wonderful question. I'd like to say that yes, I do feel like that is something important that needs to be out there because I cannot, I may or may not be able to tell how they are feeling, but I would like to respect them. When I look at someone's Instagram account, I want to know how to talk to them and know how I can respect them. And it's out there so that whoever is talking to you knows how to talk to you and how to refer to you as. And I think everybody has an opinion and how they want to be treated. And I think it's just respect that I have for everyone that has that on their pronouns on their bio, because they know what they want to be called, how they want to be referred to as, and I really respect that.
Thank you. That's a sweet answer.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
What kind of advice would you give to your younger self?
I just lost hope in the world. That world would be better enough to treat, and how would they accept you? But now I would suggest my younger self, don't lose the hope. You can come here and show to the people what you have achieved. Thank you.
Do you think social media is spoiling personal life?
Social media is not spoiling. I am very active in social media. I'm very active on Instagram. So I consider that as not spoiling my personal life at all, because I can post whatever I want to and I can do whatever I want to. It not necessarily everything gets on my Instagram. So in my opinion, people choose how to use their social media. They can choose to their advantage or disadvantage. Thank you.
Good evening. It becomes really tough when you know all the contestants and then you have to ask a question, especially when you have taken a session on how to speak on stage. You know? So it's like, you know the syllabus questions, then you have the out of syllabus questions. So what would you prefer? You want syllabus questions or do you want the out of syllabus questions?
Out of syllabus question.
Out of syllabus questions, okay. Okay, so it's a very straightforward question and there's nothing right and there's nothing wrong.
Yeah.
So do you prefer a guy who has an iPhone or do you prefer a guy who has an Android phone or any other, some Huawei or what's the other phones which we have? Vivo and then Oppo, MI, Nokia. Nokia is also nice, yeah, fine, yeah. So the comparison is like, do you like an iPhone or do you like Android phone? I'm not asking about the phones, but do you like the person who carries an iPhone or an Android or both phones together?
And I would prefer a person who is very kind to me. And I don't care he has money or iPhone or anything. He has a phone, I can just call him, right? So I would prefer a person who has just an Android phone. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you tell me what you think of the current influencer culture?
Yes.
Can you tell me what you think of the current influencer culture, with influencers being present everywhere, the moment you open your phone?
Meta is a pageant which is giving us a great opportunity to showcase ourselves, the walk, the communication skills, and everything, the actually way how we are. Thank you.
So when you open your Instagram, you'll find 100 profiles in which each person shows a beauty product or a phone or a shoe or the way you dress, influencers. So do you like this culture or what's your opinion about this culture? Like Instagram, when it started, just for your reference, it was like only photos and some videos of people sharing their experience. But now it's more of influencers trying to sell you things, trying to share their experience so that you also do the same. So what's your opinion on that?
My opinion is influencing, it should continue to the best because they not only influence the product, they even showcase themselves there and they showcase their talent also.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I hope you're doing good too.
I am. Thank you. My question to you is, what was your biggest learning from this entire experience training for Meta?
Started feeling better about myself, about the way I look, and I started feeling more confident, walking on the ramp. That's what I learned. That was my biggest lesson. Thank you.
Hi, I really like your outfit and the hairdo that you went for. So I'm curious as to why you went for this whole look.
The stylist the stylist decided it.
Who's your role model?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. For me, every day is a learning day. For me, it's about what I learn from myself. But if I have to take a name for as a role model, I would definitely like to take my aunt's name, who is not only Dakshina Kannada's, but Karnataka's first woman paramilitary force. Like, she is the first woman who joined. And she really inspires me because during those times, it was really, really hard for women to stand for what they want to be. And during that time, she chose a profession like that. And she literally came out of her comfort zone. She broke all the barriers. That inspires me to break all the barriers and to chase my dream and to reach my goal. Thank you so much.
If you way up high up off the ground, enough of them fake, them are no king or clown. Only thinking about themself alone. Listen me key now, baby, telling me how me sound. Run away, them little boy, they will lose up round me alone. I make you start to moan and groan. Come here and you're love strong like a stone girl, cause
I'd do anything I could for you, my only.
See the girl.
I'm gonna flip the script on you, and you don't even know me. Cause
Thank you so much. So all the contestants were looking really beautiful. The attire was sponsored by Designer Mantra. So Mr. Jivan Gatti is not here right now with us. He is on some other work. So I'd like to thank the entire team of Designer Mantra. At the same time, our makeover partners, that is Heaven Rose Mangalore. So we have Mustafa sir. I kindly request you on the stage, sir. And at the same time, I request Roshni to welcome him with the floral bouquet. Kindly, sir, even you join, please. I want you to speak 2 words on Meta 2022. On the opening day also, you were with us here, and you have been throughout the journey with us of Meta 2022. So I want you to speak 2 words about the event, sir.
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन. मैं बस इतना सा ही कहना चाहूँगा ऑल द कंटेंशन के लिए कि मैं इतना बड़ा तो नहीं बन सकता कि आसमां में ना आऊँ. मैं इतना बड़ा तो नहीं बन सकता कि आसमां में ना आऊँ. मैं तो कंकड़ हूँ. अगर प्यार मिले तो धरती बन जाऊँ. और धरती बन गया तो पूरे के पूरे समाज को अपने अंदर समा सकता हूँ. यही चीज़ हर एक पार्टिसिपेट के लिए कहना चाहूँगा कि हमेशा अपनी कोशिश बड़ी रखें और अपने आप को एक कंकड़ की तरह समझें, क्योंकि कंकड़ ही है जो ब्रह्मांड में एक पृथ्वी का रूप ले लेता है, और कंकड़ ही है जो हजारों हजारों युगों तक चलता रहता है. तो अपने अंदर अपनी सोल को एक कंकड़ की तरह समझें और अपने होप्स और अपनी उम्मीदों को इस पूरी धरती की तरह समझें. और हमारे पास पूरा का पूरा ब्रह्मांड है. जितना भी फैलना है उतना फैलते रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत. और मेटा के लिए इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि मेटा की शुरुआत एक कंकड़ की तरह ही हो सकती है, लेकिन अगर आप सबका प्यार और मोहब्बत मेटा के लिए मिलता रहा तो वो दिन दूर नहीं कि मेटा नेशनल इंटरनेशनल तक अपनी छाप छोड़ता हुआ जाएगा. जिस तरीके से मैंगलोर से छोटे आर्टिस्ट निकलते हैं, बड़े आर्टिस्ट निकलते हैं, और एक हमारी पहचान पूरे के पूरे भारतवर्ष में होती है. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
So moving on, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to close the ramp. The final walk by all the participants. So can we hear a big round of applause for the participants for the final closing of the ramp? Thank you so much.
No hay tiempo pa' perder. De la disco pa'l motel. Más mala que Anabel. Baile todo le hacen coro. Te deja marcado como el zorro. No pierdo mi tiempo, es oro. Todo me lo gasto, no ahorro. Más chica, más chica, más chica. Turbo Nitro en la máquina. Siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás. Aquí estamos duros, somos global. Estoy muy borracho y no puedo más. Y no puedo más. Estoy muy borracho y no puedo más. Y no puedo más. Más chica, machica, 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 machica.
Can we have a big round of applause for all the contestants? Thank you so much. At the same time, I'd like to welcome Arjun Kapikad and Anup Sagar. Thank you so much for coming for the show. So ladies and gentlemen, right now we'll have the final walk of our groomers, that is Clive and Christina, because these guys have trained all the participants from the day one. So it's time for them. Ladies and gentlemen, I want your round of applause and please welcome them on stage.
Let's do this. Come on, Daddy, Daddy. Ella hace todo por seducirme y yo voy, voy, voy haciendo lo que ella me pide y yo voy, voy, voy porque fue la que siempre quise. Y yo voy, voy, voy si estoy con ella no es un crimen y yo voy, voy.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for Clive and Christina? A very big round of applause. Kindly come on the stage because your walk also is very important. Everybody out here is telling when are the judges going to do the walk. Everybody is beautifully dressed. I want the judges also to walk. So audience, it's if you guys really want the judges to walk, then you have to give a big round of applause and please welcome them.
Si esto te motiva, voy para allá, no es un crimen, dale hasta el suelo. Es que esta noche es hasta que se rompa el cuero. Motivando para layar, presiento que el disco estallar, sandungueando todo para el suelo. Es que esta noche es hasta que se rompa el cuero. Ella hace todo por seducirme y yo voy, voy, voy haciendo lo que ella me pide y yo voy, voy, voy porque fue la que siempre quise. Yo voy, voy, voy si estoy con ella no es un crimen.
So thank you so much. I would also request our sponsors also to come on stage and have a walk. When I said that, Prashant sir just ran off, but it's okay. Thank you, sir. I request Joshua Bangera from Cyborg Fitness on the stage. I want you to walk, come on. So followed by, we also have Mustafa sir, who's really dressed well. So we want you to walk on the stage. At the same time, this event, this Meta 2022 wouldn't happen. So presenting before you, ladies and gentlemen, all our sponsors for Meta 2022.
Jalwa, Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Gorgeous with attitude and every attitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on, baby, do your duty. What?
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell them like it is. I can't hear you.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
आग सी रवानियां
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये चला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा.
So ladies and gentlemen, very well known, pretty famous guys from Mangalore who has done very big in the Tulu cinema industry as well as Kannada. So I want you guys also to walk. I'll do that later. Okay, I kindly request Clive to do a floral welcome to Arjun Kapikad. Thank you so much for gracing us. Thank you so much.
Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa.
just what I do.
So thank you so much. So ladies and gentlemen, Arjun Kapikad's next movie, Avatara, is going to be releasing. So I want everybody's support for that movie. At the same time, all the best and congratulations. May you get many more such ventures and many more hit films. Thank you so much. At the same time, Anup Sagar is also coming up with a new Kannada movie called Juliet 2. Yeah, even we both have worked for the same cinema. So all the best to us, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for gracing us in this event. Thank you so much. So now, ladies and gentlemen, coming to the final judgment. Okay. So let me tell you on what criteria that we are going to select the winners for Meta 2022. So today was a grand finale, right? So today also they have been getting marks depending upon their attire, their walk, the communication, etc. But the competition had started a week back, from April 3rd, right here in the Flexi Hall of Avatar Hotel, where the first round was self-introduction round, where they were judged depending upon their communication skills and leadership. And after that, they had a couple of different online competitions that was held, and different judges from different parts of India have judged them depending upon the reels that they have posted in Instagram. That was round number 2. Coming to round number 3, we had given the competitors, the participants, a self-development, personality development session. On that session, how well they performed, they were given marks on that. And after that, there was a fitness round sponsored by Cyborg Fitness, where they were trained why fitness is important on your lifestyle. And on that day, the Cyborg team had conducted a competition for fitness, and they were given marks depending upon their performance. And the final round, that was yesterday, pre-final round, that was yesterday, that was the stress interview, where all the participants had to go through stress interview. Depending upon their performance, they were given marks on that. And today, ladies and gentlemen, this was the finale. That's the fashion walk. So as I said, here it's a personality hunt. Okay, we are looking for people to become the face of Meta, where we want to break the bias of what lifestyle people really think about. So that's why Meta is a lifestyle pageant. So ladies and gentlemen, right now I would request all the judges to please come on the stage, along with all our sponsors on the stage and the participants and the entire Crayon Collective team. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, this whole show was planned and executed by the Crayon Collective. Ladies and gentlemen, now I request the entire team to come on the stage, and I'd like to present everybody who's been working behind this show, the entire team of Crayon Collective, please on the stage, and I request you guys to walk also, okay? So I request the entire team of Crayon Collective to come on the stage. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the faces that have worked behind Meta 2022. So here we go.
Jalwa, Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, lie it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Karen, the CEO and founder of Crayon Collective. Up next, we have Almira, who's been the fashion curator for Meta 2022.
Tell them like it is. I can't hear.
So ladies and gentlemen, Aaron Patrao, coordinator, the Crayon Collective and Meta 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, Shravya, coordinator, Crayon Collective, Meta 2022. So we have Roshni, the celebrity manager of Crayon Collective. Ankita Acharya, celebrity manager, Crayon Collective.
She got the style in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the style in her.
Come, come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging in style. You by my side as the music is soaring. Don't try to
Can we have a big round of applause? Joshua Bagheera, the co-founder of Crayon Collective, Joshua Bagheera. Ladies and gentlemen, Alden, the managing director, Creon Collective. Can we have a big round of applause? Up next we have Mr. Pavan, the event designer of Creon Collective and a dancer. Mr. Rohan Shetty, the co-founder and the production head of Creon Collective.
Sanjay, man of the show.
Mr. Sanjay, the host for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for the man of the evening, Mr. Sanjay.
The Meta 2022. So I'd request them to share their experience of how the whole session of Meta 2022 was being going. Yeah.
Hi everybody, this is Christina George. So we have been seeing the contestants from the day of audition to the day of the 3 days grooming to the finale. So yeah, so there is a drastic change in their walk, the way they talk, communication, and we did have various types of tests to check their confidence level and so on. Should say our contestants gave their best to make this day the very special day. So, and I'm very proud that I've trained them, I've groomed them, and thank you all for making this day a very special day.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much. At the same time, Carol, I want you to, because this one girl has been running around. I don't know how many people have been seeing this in the Avatar Hotel. She's the reason behind of Meta 2022. Along with her, the entire team, one person who was handling the entire team and motivating us in doing the things that you can see today, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a big round of applause for Carol? So can you please step forward? So her credibility, ladies and gentlemen, she has been the fashion manager in Paris for Paris Fashion Weeks and many more such events in Paris. So she flew all the way from France few months back here. And then she thought, why can't I do such an event here in my hometown in Mangalore? So before flying back to France, she's like, I want to pull out a show. So that's why the whole team of Creon Collective was here. And this is how Meta 2022 happened. So I want you to share your experience, Carol.
First of all, thank you so much, Sanjay, for the opportunity to share my experience. And I just want to say thank you, one and all, for being here today, because your presence here means a lot to us. The fact that you chose to believe in us, the fact that you chose to collaborate with us, all the judges and all the guests present here today, thank you so much. And I'm sure we have a lot to do going forward for this city. So Mangalore has been my hometown. And when I went to Paris, I went there to study fashion management. And ever since I started working in Paris, all I knew was that I wanted to bring that level of change that we see in global standards of fashion, be it celebrity management, be it just brand representation. I wanted to bring it back to my hometown. So this is why we came up with the dream that is Meta 2022. And with the help of all our collaborators, all our sponsors, all of you present here today, it is finally happening. And of course, the contestants, all the participants, and every single one of my team members. I must say I am very, very happy that this happened, and I couldn't have had a better team by my side while I do this. So thank you so much, and I'm running out of words. I'm sorry, but it's been a long day, so I'm just going to stop at that. But thank you so much, one and all gathered here. Thank you. I'm very grateful.
Our judges to kindly come on stage. I want you guys to share your experience of Meta 2022. And after that, we are moving on to the final results of the Meta 2022. So I request all our judges, beautiful judges, on the stage, because I want you guys to share your experience of Meta 2022.
This is my first experience judging a beauty pageant, and I was blown away by the kind of elegance, grace, and dignity that all the participants had. It was really interesting to see how they walked, how they held themselves, and also the way they introduced themselves and handled all the questions so beautifully. So I congratulate all the trainers and all of the people involved in their transformation. I'm sure for them it's been quite a life-transforming experience. And thank you to all the audience here who, brought that energy, cheered them on. It was a wonderful experience being a part of this. And thank you once again.
Hi, it was amazing experience. First of all, I would like to congratulate Cyborg Fitness and Meta for this amazing successful event. And I would like to be a part of this event every year. And all the best for all the contestants. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And thank you for having me. TCC has been so hospitable, especially Shravya, who dealt with all my tantrums. And I'm glad that something like this is happening in Mangalore and it's creating an inclusive space. And I wish all the contestants a lot of luck, positive energy, and good vibes. And I hope this keeps on happening and it leads to much more beautiful and meaningful initiatives by the beautiful coast of Mangalore. And I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, so any guesses? Any guesses for the winner of the Face of Meta female category? Any guesses? Let me check once again. Okay. Any guesses? Okay, she's telling 16 here. Okay, contestant number. I don't know names because we only have numbers. Okay, so are you guys ready? So let's do a countdown. Let's do a countdown. So let me check once again. I don't want to be a failure MC on the stage, as it once happened in some international show. Okay, shall we have the countdown? Ready? So in the count of 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the Face of Meta female category 2022. The winner is contestant number 9, Pearl. Can you step forward, ladies and gentlemen? A big round of applause. So I request Nayantara to kindly come on stage and crown the winner of Face of Meta 2022 female category. So ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. So ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for contestant number 9, Pearl, the Face of Meta 2022. And congratulations to all the participants. Can we hear it for all the participants on the stage here, guys? Come on. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for all the beautiful ladies here on stage, please? Come on, make some noise. So everybody is a winner here because that is what Meta stands for. Meta stands for a change. I hope you guys had an amazing experience here at Meta 2022. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can have the final walk of Meta 2022. From Cyborg Fitness. At the same time, all the participants will be getting 3 months of free subscription to Cyborg Fitness. Thank you so much. And also, ladies and gentlemen, the winner will be getting subscription from Satya Spa at the same time, and other goodies. So moving on, ladies and gentlemen, coming to the Face of Meta 2022 category male. Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for all the finalists on the stage here? A big round of applause for all the finalists. Can we have all the finalists on the stage, please? So ladies and gentlemen, coming to the Face of Meta 2022 category male. So any guesses? So let me do a countdown once again. So in the count of 3, 2, 1, ladies and gentlemen, the Face of Meta 2022 category male contestant number 8, Skanda. So can we hear for Skanda, ladies and gentlemen? I'd kindly request Prashant sir, Sasha and Sushma to kindly come on the stage and honor the winner of Face of Meta 2022. I'd request Prashant sir to hand over the check to the winner. Sushma to please kindly put the Sasha on. And at the same time, I request Sasha to give the trophy to the winner of Face of Meta 2022. So ladies and gentlemen, can we hear for the winner, contestant number 9, Skanda? So thank you so much, thank you so much. Let's have a final walk of all the contestants. Congratulations to all the finalists. Thank you so much. Can we hear a big round of applause for all the contestants? I'd request all the finalists once on stage because Mustafa sir wants to walk with the finalists on the stage. So I'd kindly request Mustafa sir on the stage, please. At the same time, all the finalists on the stage. Can you get all the finalists on the stage? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Congratulations to everybody on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Mustafa sir. Of Face of Meta 2022. I'd like to thank all our sponsors, partners and well-wishers for making this event happen. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Crayon Collective presents Meta 2022, powered by Avatar Hotel, Getaway Ice Cream, Heaven Rose, Cyborg Fitness, Satya Spa, Designer Mantra. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your host for the night, Sanjay UV, signing off. Tata, bye-bye, love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your host for the night, Sanjay UV, signing off. Tata, bye-bye, love you all. Good night, take care and Shubh Ratri. Thank you.